The National Minister of Finance and Planning and Acting Commissioner General of South Sudan National Revenue Authority, African Monday, with the United Nations Resident Coordinator Office, UNDP and UNICEF on Thursday, launching the United Nations Joint Sustainable Development Goals Fund program to strengthen National for Public Financial Management Mechanism in South Sudan at UNDP headquarters in Juba. Speaking to SSBC shortly after the meeting, the National Minister of Finance and Planning, Athian said his ministry is working tirelessly to develop some mechanism on how to close down the loopholes of revenue collection for the state to have shared for the development purpose in the country.
UN joint sustainable development goals to be implemented by UNICEF and UNDP in collaboration with the government of South Sudan. It is going to be towards the same area where we're working with the UN, which is PFM joint project, and we hope it would cover some of, will help us in going towards the areas where we're lagging behind, and the fund is going to be directed as the UN has been there towards the education, child protection, and then social protection. So we hope by this we have started a new direction with the UN, and we hope UN will push us towards helping us see all the areas that we need to improve on.
Meanwhile, the United Nations Resident Coordinator Helen Nama said the purpose of launching the project is to ensure that funds are allocated for intended purpose in the country.
Supported project in South Sudan. The project will be on public financial management. It's a project that is funded by this global fund that is set up by the UN and the New York level. And in South Sudan, when we think about SDG, the first thing that we decide to work on is to make sure that the resources that are collected are properly used so that we have efficiency and effectiveness in the way that the resources are used. So the project will be implemented with the Ministry of Finance, and also with UNDP and UNICEF. We will be implementing it from on the UN side. And it will be a project that look at how best to ensure that efficiency when it comes to public financial management is gained both at the central level but also at a decentralized level.
The public financial management mechanism in South Sudan aims at increasing the budget allocation to the social and service sectors. The program will be implemented in Western Equatoria, Central Equatoria, and Northern Bargadal State respectively. Kulang Nial Mager, SSBC News.